Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get a cute free Butterbear actions in Heartopia. So Heartopia has just launched a new collaborations event with the Butterbear, and you can claim a special funny dance actions completely free on here. So here's what you need to do. First, just tap on the smartwatch and then go to settings, and then in here just tap on the redeem code, and then next just type this code. Shake like this, and then next just tap on redeem, and then after that just check your mailbox, this one, and then in here you can get this cute dance 5, and then just tap on claim all, and then just go to the emotes icon and then go to actions, and then in here you can just use the dance actions automatically like this. You can see it's so cute like this. You can see it's really cute like this. And okay, that's it. You can claim the cute dance for free in Heartopia. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.